everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a Vileda spray mop. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is one of the Vileda spray mops. There are a few different options and a few variations, but they all work in a very similar way. You have the mop right here, which consists of a plastic base, as you can see, and then the cloth mop head, which can be removed pretty easily. Very simple, just like that. You can pull it off and put it back on just by removing that one part right there, okay? In addition, you have a sprayer that is right over there. Okay, you can probably barely see it in the video, but it's right over there. You also have the mechanism to deliver the stuff to spray. You have your container, okay, which inserts easily like that, and you can pull it out like that. This will contain whatever you want to spray. And then you also have a lever right here, which is actually used to spray whatever is in there. So it's very easy to use. Let's get into the video. First and foremost, you want to fill this up with whatever it is that you want to spray. Now, obviously, you know, whatever cleaning product you choose is up to you. I am, just for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna put some water in it, just like this, okay? So I'm gonna fill it up with some water, and obviously you would add in whatever cleaner you want to use, but I'm just gonna use water for this right now, okay? Tighten on your lid as tightly as you can. You don't want to go nuts with it, but really make sure that it's tightly on there, okay? Then you're gonna take your container, your canister, and you're essentially going to be pushing it in place. So now I'm going to take it, I'm just going to go and pop it in place like that. Very simple. And then what I want to do is I'm now going to be pressing the lever. So every time I press the lever, it is going to spray some of the liquid out. So I'm going to press the lever right there. You can see it's spraying, and then you can mop. Okay? Just like that. Spray, mop. Spray, mop. It's literally that easy. That is how to do it. It's really easy to use. Every time you see that spray, I'm just pushing the lever. So I'm pushing the lever to spray, and now I can mop wherever I want to mop. Make sure you vacuum first or you sweep first to make sure that the floor is clean, but really easy to use. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.